Hey, good afternoon, students. We are going to keep her moving, keep it rolling with our study on waves and energy. We're going to be using some of these tools right here, these balls, and our student activity sheet 4D, the one that looks like the dog's eating your science homework right there. And what you're going to do first is go ahead and answer those review and predict questions, A and B on the sheet. And then when you're ready for that, you can begin the video again and you could do the observation. So you can see here that I've got 4 of these balls. I know on your sheet it says marbles, but we're going to use the wiffle balls here. They're lined up in a row. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ball here and I'm going to throw it at the others. And what I want you guys to notice is what's happening to the wiffle balls that are lined up in the row right here as the green one is making contact with them. So if you turn the page to this flow chart here, this is where you're going to be drawing in and writing what you see happening to the wiffle balls in this experiment. Now, we've been talking about energy. So keep in mind, you're thinking like a scientist. We're thinking about energy. We know that energy can be transferred into from one object to another. So keep that concept in mind. All right, so I'm going to roll the green wiffle ball into the others and watch carefully what happens to the purple, the orange, the white, and the yellow ball as the green ball makes contact. All right, so you've seen something there. I'm going to set them up one more time and we'll rerun the experiment. Now feel free to rewind and watch this as many times as you need to. But again, I'm going to take the green ball, make contact with the purple ball, and watch what happens to the remaining wiffle balls on the floor. All right. So now take that knowledge and understanding of what you just saw there, come on back to this flow chart and think about what happened to the rolled wiffle ball. So the rolled one, that would be the green one. What happened to the rolled wiffle ball? Draw what happens here. Next, what happened to the 3 balls in the middle? So what happened to the purple, the orange, and the white? And finally, in that last box of the flow chart, what happened to the last wiffle ball? It says marble on your sheet, but remember we're using wiffle balls. What happened to the last wiffle ball in the row? That was the yellow wiffle ball. Again, you need to rewind it. Go ahead and rewind it and watch it again. Draw carefully in here and also write carefully. 4th graders do careful work. And once that's done, you can move over to this conclusion part here and try to put together all the understanding you have about what you saw happening here with the balls and energy.